That's fire. That's fire.
That was supposed to be doing.
Hold on to your drink, Derek!
Hey guys, this is Matthew Brahim. I'm a machinist by trade, but I'm also the creator and founder of Garagistic, and I became a professional race car driver.
Ibrahim now working on Kevin Bone though. This is for second. Oh, using the chrome horn a little bit.
But how it works is there's usually a hole right there, and this kind of clip just kind of sits over like that. It smells like a fire. It sounds like a fart.
All right, Derek. I got this.
Derek, you are out of control, Derek. Out this middle race right here, and then we have the bushing that will fit just like that.
Why are you drifting?
This is 3 Men and a Pumpkin, Garagistic.
This is Matthew Garagistic. Garagistic YouTube channel tip thing.